Ngayong pabalik na daw ang Windows Phone this 2026 via NextDock brand, balikan natin ang isa sa mga best Windows Phone of 2016. This is HP Elite X3, the last Windows flagship phone. Madalas naririnig natin ang Windows Phone ay galing sa Nokia, Microsoft, Alcatel or HTC lang. Pero imagine gumawa ang HP ng first and last Windows Phone nila na may 3-in-1 concept kung saan pwede itong maging phone, pwede maging PC alternative using its exclusive dock, at pwede din maging laptop via HP X3 Laptop. Isa sa mga ambitious concept ng smartphone for multi-purpose and maximum productivity. Quick specs muna tayo, 5.9 inches wide Quad HD AMOLED display, running Windows 10 Mobile with Snapdragon 820 chipset, with 4GB of RAM and 64GB storage which is expandable up to 2TB via micro SD card, with 4150mAh battery that can charge up to 10 watts lang. Meron din itong headphone jack, dual stereo front speaker like boom sound ng HTC. And based on specs, this is the most powerful Windows Phone yet. At 2016 po ito kung saan mahina pa kumain ng storage and battery ang mga apps. Sa camera naman, meron itong 8MP front camera that can shoot up to 1080p 30fps video, and single shooter 16MP rear camera that can shoot up to 4K 30fps videos naman. But unlike Microsoft Lumia 950 XL that is one of the best camera of 2015, this have a mediocre cameras. So focus lang talaga nito ay PC productivity at hindi camera. Pero based on my use, siguro dahil sa software update na rin na provide nila up to 2018, maganda naman yung mga shots na nakuha ko using this device. And like Microsoft 950 series, meron itong iris scanner and back fingerprint sensor. The unibody is also amazing. Kahit plastic ay meron itong military grade durability, plus meron din IP67 water and dust resistance. While using this device, naramdaman ko talagang flagship ito despite being a plastic unibody. Pero for me, I preferred pa rin yung iPhone 7 and HTC 10 na may aluminum unibody and S7 series na may aluminum frame and back glass. Dahil mas premium to sa kamay at mas maangas pang porma. Imagine a Windows Phone na pwede mong gawing laptop and PC when you have the right tool. Plug mo lang sa dock yung monitor, keyboard, and mouse and you're good to go. Talagang solid yung innovation na yun 10 years ago, pero kung ngayon mong gagamitin 2026 and beyond, medyo sablay na kasi ang daming disadvantages. Tulad ng end of support ng Microsoft for Windows 10, at the same time if you use this phone, wala na itong security patch since 2017 pa, so sobrang risky. The App Store is also not working, so wala kang mai-install na additional app for this device unless you know how to bypass this phone and make it work. The only app that you can use on this phone is MicroEdge browser, pero yun nga lang hindi na siya ganun ka-functional dahil nga outdated na po yung last version ng browser, kaya medyo lag ng gamitin. Kahit useless na to this 2026 and beyond, I still find this phone amazing. Sobrang nostalgic at napaka-refreshing ng approach ng Windows Phone Mobile. At until now, marami pa ring umaasa na maging open source ito para sa mga Android developer para magamit as main interface. May mga apps na nagpo-provide naman ng ganon, pero iba pa rin ang actual Windows Phone experience dahil mas pulido ito at mas smooth gamitin. Ikaw, anong kwentong Windows Phone mo? Kwento mo naman dyan sa baba sa comment section and follow me for more videos dahil marami ka pang makikita.